Hey, how you doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction in beautiful Clearwater Beach, Florida. On location today to take care of not something I do regularly, but it's a nice big automobile carrying aluminum trailer. And I've just got my setup started here, and I thought I'd shoot this quick video. I'll give you probably a final result as well. I'm going to be using Super Clean to take care of the black staining and streaking on the trailer. I'm going to use OptiSeal at the end, and I'm going to try to apply this with this foam mop head, slightly damp. I think that's going to be my best bet because that's a lot of surface area, of course. And I'm going to try do a little polishing on the diamond plating. I'm going to try to take out a few scratches by hand, but really there's so many scratches that are so long on this it needs machine polished. I'm going to air blow it dry. I've got my big brush there, and as I take you in for a little close-up, I've got this spot right here. Client tried to take some of the scratches out with some rubbing compound by 3M, some very fine rubbing compound. So that's this white area right here. But right now I've just got the my little foam cannon gun, and I have that. I get that right. There's my little foam can, and I am going to now give this another wet down with that, give it a scrub, and see if I can't take all those black streaks. You can see them coming down right there from the top, and get this thing in shape. Going to do the wheels and tires and make this thing beautiful again. Thanks for being with me. Take care. Bye.